Motorcycles mechanics workshop. Tools organization. Maintaining your tools ever organized will mainly avoid to spend time looking for them, trying to remember where they were last time you'd used them. And time is money. You can create and maintain a highly efficient place to keep your tools for easy access without having to spend too much on it. Some nails on the wall would be enough. It depends on how much money you can spend on it. Organizer wall. Definitely, the most important is your tools to be close at hand. And ever remember to put them back on their place after each use. Examples. Drawer organizer. Box organizer. Exercise. Answer. Why is important maintaining the tools ever organized?
To avoid spend time looking for them.
Can I have the tools for easy access without spending too much on it?
Yes, you can.
How have the tools to be?
Tools should be close at hand.
What is the less expensive way to have them close at hand?
Some nails on the wall would be enough.
What should be done after each use?
To put them back on their place.
Motorcycles mechanics workshop. Tools organization. Please subscribe to the channel. Not to miss any tip. Please share it to your friends.